Let's start. Today we will see how to accept a string input from the user in the Tradingview Pine script. This is the indicator function with name, input string. Then we have an input.string function. The default value is it.wala. The title is enter text. Finally, we plot a close. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As you can see, the default value is it.wala. The user can change the input string. Now, where and how to use this string input, that we will see in the tutorial of labels. So that's it. That's how you can accept a string input from the user in the Tradingview Pine script. Thanks for watching.